Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon PIXMA G2020 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC. Here we find properties, click on the properties. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is also easy. Go to the any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Here type in search type Canon PIXMA G2020 driver download. Okay, and hit enter key on your keyboard. Hit enter key, and after that go to this first link or go to this support link. Go to the PIXMA link. I go to the support second link. And Canon official web page is open. Here we find our printer name. Scroll down and here we find our operating system. If your operating system is not detect right or the bit is not right, then click it here and select Windows 10 for the 32-bit, and for 64-bit select Windows 10 64-bit and click on the search. After that scroll down and here we find our drivers. Here we find our driver G2020, then another printer name and series, and here we find our MP driver. Click on that. It's redirect you to the another page. Click on this drive download button and download is started at the top. Here we find our download is started. It's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for few seconds. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it and click on the extract files. Click on OK. Wait for a few seconds. New folder is created or extracted folder is created. Double click on it. Double click on it. Double click on it, and here we find our drivers. Close it. And we are going to install these drivers manually. There are two ways to install it. First way is go to the setup file, double click on it and install it. But second way is the most simple way in Windows 10. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new option is pop up. New option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In a add a printer, here we find add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Here go to the here we find some port names. Click at the USB. Select any USB port that you find. USB 001, 002, 003, 004. Select any USB port that you find. Click on the next. Click on have a disk. Click on browse. Go to the desktop. Our drivers are desktop. Go to the desktop. Here we find our newly created folder. Double click on our extracted or newly created folder. Double click on this folder. Click on the driver. Here we find some files. Click on any file. All files contain same driver. Select any file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find Canon G2020 series. Select the first one. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give Canon G2020 and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer on a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, if you find your printer name Canon and your G2020, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.